Okay, hold on. I'm taking off my glasses because the glare from the window bothers me. I just finished doing my planning for the day. I don't have a lot going on because I'm on my period today. I kind of want to take a rest day. I feel like I've been doing a lot every day. I'm trying to build healthy habits, routines. I'm working on my morning routine. I'm working on my evening, night, after work, you know, all that. Like, I'm trying to keep up with routines and having healthy habits. I have goals in life, so I want to accomplish those goals, and I feel like having a routine definitely helps with that, especially, you know, having healthy habits, eating well, getting enough rest, taking care of yourself physically, mentally, emotionally, all of that. I think it's really important, and building these healthy habits has definitely been helping me be in a better mood and have a more positive attitude. Every day is a little bit different, but also I'm pretty sure I have ADHD. I have not been diagnosed, but I get distracted so easily. I have terrible concentration problems. Having routines and planning and writing down everything helps me so much. And even then, sometimes I still forget stuff, but at least it's written down and I can go back to it. That's mostly what my morning consists of. Now I am gonna go have myself a little breakfast. Let's put the glasses back on. You know how every TikToker or influencer goes like this after they do their skincare or makeup? I think it's cute. They all look very cute. So I'm like, I'm gonna start doing that as well. Bottoms up. Yum. Okay, not really yum, but it's not too bad if you like ginger. If you like ginger, it's not gonna be too bad. If you do not like ginger, yeah, it's gonna burn everything. Actually, no, I'm exaggerating. It only burns a little bit. Personally, I like it. I do not mind it at all. I think it's actually pretty tasty. I'm glad I found a good wellness shot that I can make myself drink, and I'm actually going to enjoy it. I did add too much ginger last time though, so that really did burn everything. But now I think it's at a good range. Let's make our breakfast. Actually, how many biscuits do I have? I prepped these biscuits. Not biscuit, muffin. So it's basically an English muffin. I made like an egg bite with zucchini, turkey bacon, and I add a little bit of ketchup or hot sauce, and it's so good. But I only have one left, and I do have to work tomorrow, and it's just so much easier to grab these like on the go. But I also don't really feel like making breakfast, so I don't know. Decided I'm gonna make myself some breakfast because I'm here, I have the time. I'm just gonna leave my little muffin for tomorrow. I'm gonna be making a little toast, egg, and some tomatoes. May not be the cutest egg, but it'll still be good. It does need a little bit of salt though. Ooh, and some hot sauce.
it into you too.
Why would you cast me when you knew I didn't want the part?
I liked your audition.
I didn't even try.
Just like you.
Okay, but there are girls who actually wanted to be Juliet. Like Kate Malarkey.
Kate Malarkey is already an A student. You should be an A student. You're going to Mrs. U, you maintain a C average? It was sort of
Hilarious.
My hair is a mess. I'm just gonna put it up in a bun. I don't know, should I keep it or not? I think I'm just gonna leave it like that. A little bit of highlight.